So now we move on to problem number 8. We want to again solve an inequality which looks like this. And to begin with, like we said, it's the same drill. We want to make sure it's comparing to 0. And then the next thing is to set what's on the left side to be 0. It's easier to calculate if we factor it first. So we end up with -2 times x squared plus 4 less than or equal to 0. This is still a second order expression, so I really hope I can factor it, which technically is not possible because if x squared plus 4 equals 0, it means x squared is -4. There's no solution. So the general idea is you try to set each of the factors you have on the left side to be 0, and you find for both cases there's no potential solution. Therefore, once you move on to your number line, you realize there's really nothing for you to put on. So the whole real line is going to be your one unique interval. The factors you have is like this. Pick one point to represent this whole interval, any point you like, and you plug it into your expression. 0 plug in, it's -2. There's no x for it to replace, it's negative. 0 replacing the x, it's 0 squared plus 4 is positive. Multiplying together, so on the interval -infinity through +infinity, the expression -2 times x squared plus 4 is going to be negative. You do realize that we are trying to solve for negative expressions. That means I accept the whole real line as my final solution. If the problem were modified slightly, if the question was -2x squared plus 4 to be greater than 0, which means you are looking for the positive piece, which is not going to happen because it's always negative, you realize you can't take any point as a solution. So that problem actually, the modified version of it, has no solution at all.